What if I told you your SUV might be wasting fuel every single week because of parts that cost less than £20, and most drivers never even check them? Because inside every SUV, there are 5 small components that decide how efficiently your fuel is burned. And even one of them failing slightly can increase your fuel cost by 20 to 40%. Let's start with the most important one. The oxygen sensor controls fuel-air balance. If it becomes slow or weak, the engine starts guessing, and guessing means extra fuel every mile. Cost £20 to £40. Loss up to 20% fuel. But the shocking part is, most drivers don't even get a warning. But that's not the only one. There is another sensor that controls how your engine breathes. And if this one is dirty, your fuel economy silently drops. The MAF sensor measures air intake. If it gives wrong readings, your engine injects extra fuel unnecessarily. Cost £15 to £75. Loss 16 to 28%. Sometimes just cleaning it brings back lost mileage instantly. Now here's something even more surprising. What if fuel itself is being sprayed incorrectly? That's where the next part comes in. Fuel injectors spray fuel into the engine, but over time they become uneven or partially clogged. That means poor combustion. Cost £40 to £120 each. Loss 12 to 16%. More if old SUV. And you never feel it directly, only in your fuel bill. But not all fuel loss comes from the engine. Some of it comes from how your SUV responds when you press the pedal. Throttle controller changes pedal sensitivity. In city traffic, many drivers over-accelerate without realizing. This device smooths response. Cost £40 to £120. Gain 10 to 17% city efficiency. But here's the truth. It doesn't change the engine, it changes your driving pattern. And even the wheels are secretly wasting fuel. Wheel covers reduce air drag around tires. Less resistance equals less engine effort. Cost £25 to £80. Gain 3 to 5.5% motorway savings. Small effect, but real over long drives. Now connect everything. O2 sensor, MAF sensor, injectors, throttle control, wheel aerodynamics. None of them are expensive, but together they decide how much fuel your SUV truly wastes. So the real question is not how expensive is fuel, it is how much fuel is your SUV wasting without you knowing. Because sometimes a £20 part can quietly save you hundreds every year. Please subscribe this channel if you love this video.